We've been looking at this forecast very closely over the past 10 days or so, and there are going to be some very small hit and miss chances for rain between now and the 4th, but they're pretty small right now. Main threat of rain here tonight will be generally south and east of Grand Rapids. Basically along the line from about Kalamazoo on up through Lansing. That's where showers and thunderstorms, most of them going to move toward the Jackson and Ann Arbor area here over the next several hours. We're going to be on the northwest fringe of a couple of pop-up showers and brief showers overnight. The showers coming through Wisconsin do not have any lightning with them, and they're being driven by the heat of the day. And so between now and about 2 a.m. we could see a pop-up shower like we have in a few locations this afternoon, but no widespread downpours or severe weather. Temperatures upper 70s to near 80, a little warmer where it hasn't been raining over in the eastern part of the state. It's a little bit cooler up in the Ludington area. You're only at 69. We're going to have a warm night and a very warm day tomorrow. It'll still be rather humid, but just a little bit less humidity on Sunday. Lots of sunshine. There might be one of those showers that creep into the southwest counties very late Sunday night, but it will be moving out by Monday morning, and then the humidity returns on the 4th itself with temperatures up into the low 80s. Summer is going to be in full force then the rest of next weekend into the following weekend. We'll talk about that as well a little bit later on.
There is a chance you could run into some storms if you're heading towards southeast Michigan tonight.
Yeah, George, out on the weather deck, and a lot of people looking forward to, we don't always get a 4-day holiday weekend. Yeah. We are getting that this year, so people are hoping it's dry, George.
And the chances of rain are not zero over the next 4 days, but they're not very high. And so you may catch a shower at a time when you may not expect it, but for the most part it will be dry. 13 weather ball though tonight is blinking bright. We do have some scattered showers and even some thunderstorms in sight, those to the southeast as you guys just mentioned. It's also green. No change to the warm and humid weather pattern foreseen on your Saturday anyway. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Again, between now and about 8 o'clock, any showers and storms will be southeast of Grand Rapids. You may see a pop-up shower here and there between 11 and 2 a.m. I hope the sun is not out at 11 or 2 a.m., but at least we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies. And temperatures only going to fall into the mid-60s overnight. The winds are very light out here, so it feels very humid. As we showed you at the top of the hour, the real heavier weather is down here in Indiana and Ohio. A Storm Prediction Center is just considering these to be strong thunderstorms, not severe. Otherwise, there'd be a severe thunderstorm watch for those folks. That's for mainly eastern New York State and northeast Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, the line from about Kalamazoo to about Lansing and south and east of there is where the bulk of the showers will be, and maybe even the thunderstorms will say just south of I-94. We're watching these area of showers as well. They're just kind of along a little boundary that's going to work its way through here over the weekend. Those will most likely fall apart, or if they do make it into West Michigan, they'd be very brief showers overnight. Here's our high resolution model. You can see how those storms really looking intense on that high resolution model. There they go. They're going away from us. Here are those scattered showers popping up here by 11 o'clock. There might be a rumble of thunder with one of those. Again, those will be again south and east of Grand Rapids by daybreak. A couple of sprinkles here and there, otherwise just mostly cloudy skies. And as we go through the rest of the weekend, we'll see the clouds clear on Saturday. Humidity level still a little bit on the higher side, but the winds are going to start to shift around more to the west and northwest. That'll drop that humidity level just a little bit. And even on Sunday, looking pretty good. The clouds coming down from the north are not going to make it here. We'll call it partly cloudy to mostly sunny with humidity levels very comfortable, but those levels start to go up on Monday and especially for Tuesday. Tomorrow, about where we are today, right around 79 or so, when we'll hit 80 again here on Sunday. And as we get into Monday, temperatures virtually the same, right around 80, just around or a little bit below our average highs for this time of year. Other than that, as we head out to Lake Michigan here tonight, we have 1-foot waves expected. Not likely there'll be a shower, but there might be a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm there. Keep that in mind as you head out boating, perhaps to see that sunset, if you will. Water temperatures are in the 60s and low risk for rip currents if you're planning on heading out there. Again, light and variable winds most of the night. And as I mentioned, water temperatures generally in the 60s. Forecast then for the lakeshore tonight, a pop-up shower here and there. 58 north, that's comfortable. 65 down in South Haven, a little bit on the humid side there. Mid 60s up north, partly cloudy skies. Can't rule out that possibility of a pop-up shower here in the next several hours. Most of the showers and thunderstorms will be from about Kalamazoo, maybe just to the Hastings area and up toward Lansing, and that'll be early tonight with overnight lows in the mid-60s. Virtually dry through the holiday. There is a chance of a shower Sunday night, early Monday morning down to the south. Chances of rain on Tuesday running about 10–20%. We don't usually do 10 or 20%, but it's still a possibility. Humid weather returns then for Tuesday and Wednesday. 13 on target forecast. Very warm and humid right on through the end of next week. Another chance of a shower as a cold front comes through next Friday. That'll make us comfortable, but still staying warm next Saturday and Sunday. So both weekends looking pretty good as we head from June into July.
All right, thank you, George.